Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best white men's jeans you can find on the market right now. We're talking about the Amazon Essentials Men's Athletic Fit Jean. If you're looking for comfort, style, and a great fit, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off with what makes these jeans stand out. They're crafted with 98% cotton and 2% elastane, giving you that perfect balance of softness and stretch. Whether you're running errands or chilling with friends, these jeans promise all-day comfort without compromising on style. Now, let's talk about the fit. These jeans are tailored for the athletic build, offering extra room in the hip and thigh while tapering down to a sleek calf and ankle. They sit comfortably at the waist, designed to feel like a straight jean but with that added flexibility for movement. The fabric itself is a mid-weight denim with just the right amount of stretch. It's durable enough for everyday wear and comes in a bright white color that adds a touch of freshness to your wardrobe. Plus, the garment wash gives it that lived-in look straight out of the package. Moving on to the details, these jeans feature a zippered fly with a sturdy metal button closure. You'll also find bar-tack reinforcements and rivets at the front hand pockets, ensuring longevity and durability through repeated wear and wash cycles. When it comes to care, these jeans are easy to maintain. Simply throw them in the washing machine on a gentle cycle, and for best results, hang them to dry to preserve that stretch and shape over time. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you're dressing them up with a crisp shirt or keeping it casual with a simple tee, these jeans are a wardrobe staple. They effortlessly bridge the gap between business casual and weekend wear, making them a must-have for any guy on the go. You're getting high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and a comfortable fit all at an affordable price point that won't break the bank. So, there you have our in-depth look at the Amazon Essentials Men's Athletic Fit Jean. From its comfortable stretch to its stylish design, this is definitely one of the best options out there. If you're looking for white jeans that deliver on both quality and value. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.